Hey everyone, and welcome back. Loving Agile CRM's free plan, but starting to feel its limits. In this video, I'll break down the key restrictions and show you the upgrade path if your business is scaling. First, let's talk limits. The free plan caps you at 1,000 contacts and 1,000 branded emails per user per day. You also get a limited number of automation workflows and only 10 MB of file storage. The biggest operational limit is one user. It's really meant for a single person to manage their pipeline. So, when should you upgrade? If you're hitting the contact limit, need more users, or require advanced features like web analytics, phone support, or custom deal fields, it's time. The upgrade path is straightforward. Log into your Agile CRM, go to your account CRM, go to your account settings, and look for upgrade or plans and pricing. You'll see tiers like Starter, Regular, and Enterprise. Each adds more users, contacts, storage, and features like mass email campaigns and landing pages. The jump from free to Starter is usually the most cost-effective way to add your first team member and get more automation power. And that's it. Knowing these limits helps you plan your growth and upgrade smoothly when the time is right. If you've upgraded Agile CRM, let me know which tier you chose in the comments. See you in the next one.